Hi, today we are going to unbox the DittoPro-R desktop 3D printer. You'll recognize that you got a DittoPro-R desktop 3D printer when there is a red R sticker on the box right here. Now we'll start with taking a box cutter to cut open the tape, and then we can open up the flaps. Here is your new accessory box. We'll remove the foam first before we take a look at it. When you open the accessory box, we first have the inspection certificate card. It will give you instructions on where to register your 3D printer for warranty. Then we have a nice little miniature DittoPro-R that was printed off the same printer to assure for quality assurance. Next, we have the new storage device, an 8GB USB thumb drive. The quick start guide will also be included in the USB. Now if we remove the accessory cover, we'll see a couple more accessories, like the power cable, a print removal knife, and last but not least, the glass print surface. A hex key will also be provided for maintenance purposes. We'll move on to removing the spool of filament that comes with the printer, which is located at the bottom. Next, take the top and bottom of the printer, lift it out, and place it onto your desk. When lifting it out, be careful not to hold on to the belt inside the printer. Now you are ready to move on to the next video, which is about setting up your new DittoPro-R 3D printer. Thank you for watching.